Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're gonna take a look at Honeybook, Bonsai and Squarespace to see which one is the best. So I have here a list with pros and cons. The first one is Honeybook. So it's best for creatives and freelancers who need all-in-one client management. The pros, they have proposals, contracts, invoices scheduling, and great UI plus mobile app. The downside is that it's only available in US and Canada. Then we have Bonsai, which is best for freelancers and agencies needing contracts plus finance tools. They have proposals, contracts, time tracking, tax reports, strong automation, and global access. The downside, limited design customization. And the last one is Squarespace, best for building a professional website with built-in e-commerce tools, beautiful templates, easy website builder, blogging, online store, and scheduling. The downside, weak CRM or client management. Now, depending on your needs and your business, you can pick one of these three. So, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.